Welcome back to Ferocious Education. This is Zed. Today I'm going to be talking about BNGO as an update. You can find my previous DD video in the description below. Subscribe and leave your notifications on, as well as like this video to help this channel grow. So without further ado, I'm going to go through technical analysis, and then I'm going to go through latest news and how I'll be playing the stock. So you get to see here on the MACD on the 1 month that it actually looks like it most likely has bottomed up on the 17th here. On the MACD, you see that it's actually starting to curve up, and that's a positive sign. ADX is sitting at 46.39. It doesn't give us much since it's actually coming in from the top. William percent R moves from oversold to slightly less oversold, and then momentum here seems to be recovering, which is a nice recovering, a freshening one. 10 SMA is still above 30 EMA. The stock is in the trading action zones where reversals are likely, so be careful on here. Stock price is really approaching the 200 SMA. Above the 0.75, it is considered bullish as it crosses the 200 SMA. It's still bullish on the 50 SMA scale, where it is above the 0.65 mark. Going on towards the 1 hour perspective, we get to see that the MACD has gone quite strong. It's moving on and rallying on, so that's a good sign. 10 SMA is officially above 30 EMA, which is amazing. It hasn't been quite a bit, so that is bullish. Stock price is above 50 SMA, and that's the first time it has done it in quite a bit during the trading hours, so that is as well bullish. The stock price 200 SMA is still above the price of 0.77. Once it crosses that, it is fully bullish on the moving average scale. Stock price is not in the trading action zone on the 1 hour scale, where reversals are likely, so it looks quite bullish when it goes on towards the 1 hour scale. It is between neutral and overbought on million percent R, but the ADX supports a very strong indication for a trend forming here. Stock price is trading in just into the moving average band. It's expected to trade between 71 cents and 79 cents on here. Amazing news. Now going on towards trend lines. Let's try to identify quickly a trend line here. You get to see the stock has just slightly broken that trend line before, right about here. But I would still say it would probably hold somewhere around here, so that's still significant. Still considered more off an upside to it. Going on towards Fibonacci Retracements on the 1 hour scale, we get to see where the supports and resistances are currently at. You get to see that there is current supports at 71 cents, 70 cents, 69, and goes a cent down all the way to 68, 67, yeah, a cent down to 643. Going on towards resistances, you get to see around 73 cents, 74 cents, and then 75 cents. 76 cents, 77 cents, 78. It goes basically a cent up, as you've seen here as well. So now moving on towards different company updates to try to get the latest out of these ones here. First, we go through institutional value purchases and transactions. You get to see that there is a bit more institutional transactions happening on ever since Friday. Only one decrease in position, which is by BlackRock. They 100% liquidated their position. But the rest of the institutions seems to be actually buying in it. Now, they do have an at-the-market equity program, which basically announces that it have an aggregate offering of around 400 million at market equity program, so ATM program. And basically, yes, this is considered a part of an offering. This doesn't so basically this doesn't mean that they're actually having in an offering below the market price. So there is discounts there, but it's still not going to play through where the price does tank. It's actually looking like it actually is meeting a nice reversal after it bottomed down from that news. It does look bullish at that point, and with the Saphyr program, there's a lot of potential here. So how would I be playing the stock? I definitely want to see it hold up above the 0.68 mark. If it does hold that, and I get to see that that strong reversal is continuing on with no significant pullbacks, I would definitely buy in. It is a hold for me right now, so I would not consider selling, at least until you hit somewhere above the 75 cents or so. Once it crosses the 200 SMA, it is bullish, but it's a really nice hold here. What do you think about this ticker? Make sure you mention down in the comments below. Share, subscribe, and like, and you have a wonderful day.